Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Knowledge Base. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more information, especially concerning different things that I teach about. I know you may have landed on this channel trying to find out how to use Xmix, and Xmix is one of the best software. There is a free version, but to be clear and better, you need to subscribe to a permanent license. Xmix gives a permanent license, and once you have it on your machine, you'll be perfectly good to go. Are you looking at starting up a TV station? Are you looking at going live on your Facebook, on your YouTube, on your LinkedIn, or wherever you want to be? Or if you want to have special recordings, and some of you are having documentaries, or you want to project, or you want to go live, to go to these documentaries and go live on Facebook, Xmix is the way to go. It's very easy to use, but sometimes it's a little bit technical, and I'm here to train you on how best to put. Here, in this case, we're trying to see how do I put the video or the documentary that I already have to make sure that you upload it wherever you want to upload it, or go live and have a live stream. In this case, we look at our window. This is on the left side, depending on how you're watching me. On your left side, we look down here, we go to input. Okay, you click on input. So when you click on input, there is a new window that opens. So on this new window, we have on this side, we have video, we have DVR, we have list, we have camera, we have NDI, we have stream raw, we have instant replay, we have image sequencing, we have video delay, we have the images, we have the photos, we have the PowerPoint, we have the color, we have the audio, we have the audio input, we have the titles, we have the visual set, we have the web browser, and we have the video call. Each of these mean different. So I'll be giving you each and everything in my videos. You'll be able to see each and every component of this, because I don't want to mix a lot, as it is going to confuse you. In this case, we're looking at how we bring in a video. So when you click here, remember we can go here, we can go here, but here it is green, we are on video. So when you click on video, we come here on browser. So when you go to browsing, you know where your videos are. In this case, my videos are stored on D, okay? Now in this video, I'll pick one of these videos here, and my video is here, and I'll click on it, and then I'll open it. So when I open it, means it has come here ready to be inserted. So I'll click on OK. So we want to see whether our video has been picked. Guess what? The video is right here. Okay, now this video comes on already on the broadcasting window, but we have what we call the preview window, which is on the left side here. So I want to shift it to my side. So we shall use these. We have the quick play, we have the cut, we have the fade, we have the image, we have wipe, we have cube zoom, and FBT. So in this case, I'll cut it. In this case, I'll fade it. Okay, in this case, I can merge it. Okay, in this case, I can also wipe. In this case, I can do cube zoom. So it all depends on how or quick whatever you need. Okay, so when you're doing for preview, it's always here. The preview is here. Preview means that you're preparing to send this video onto the broadcast. Now, when I send it on the broadcast, you can see there is audio. I feel if you can hear this audio, you'll be good to go on the audio. We can look at this audio if you're clear of the audio that you're listening to. So I have brought my video right from where at my D. I have brought it here, and I'm ready to broadcast it. But for the purposes, you can even choose, when we bring it back, for the broadcast window, you could choose, let's say, maybe put an image, okay? Put an image, I'll look for a photo. Let me see for the photo. Maybe I'll do this. Okay, there are already some. Let me browse and I put my photo here. I'm going to pick a photo here. Okay, maybe there are no photos in this folder. Let me see where we can pick a photo for us to use. Okay, let me go back. This folder is empty. Let me go back and I choose my photo. Okay, just get here. I'm trying to look for a folder that have my photos. Okay, sorry, I go to the image here and I do this and I'll pick my image here that clearly falls and I'll do this. So now as I set up, my photo is here and my video is here. So if I'm previewing, I am already on this. This is the window that I'm setting up to go live, and then I have my preview video. So if I need to shift this picture to here, I'll fade it out and I'll bring my video right here and the picture will shift right here. You may say, if I want to have two videos, okay, let's look about maybe putting two videos. If I have to have two videos, I'll click to get my two videos. Let me pick another video. If I want to run between different videos, okay, it's also here. So if I want to put two videos here, you see whatever you put will always come down here. So when it comes down here, I have the picture here and I have the video here. So I'll click on this video and it will also be running. So should I finish this video or I want to switch between two videos, I will definitely have to fade and I'll bring in this video. Okay, you see I've put out this video and I've put up this video. Remember, in the green, this is a live or streaming window and this is a preview window. So even when I'm doing my different live streams, I'll be able to play between these two, sending my video here and sending my video here. If I want to switch in videos, I'll be able to be switching on this node. If I want to give another scene, then I'll be able to merge and I bring this as well.
While others harbor dreams of imparting knowledge and shaping minds as great teachers and lawyers.
So I hope that this information is very clear for you and you're able to get what you need. And in this case, I've been showing you on how to add video onto your stream, Xmix stream. So make sure you clearly do it. On other subsequent videos, I'm teaching you on how to put audio, how to insert audio, how to move from one area to another, and I'll be giving you different videos, most especially to make sure that we are managing our Xmix. I don't want to give you too much information, as some of the information will definitely not be able to be on the standard that you need it, as it will be confusing you. So I'll give you point to point. You can go into my videos and search for whatever you need. So thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Knowledge Base. Once again, thank you.